Alright guys, so we're going to look at a new topic. It's only a really short one, but we're going to have a look nonetheless. And the first little lesson we've got is burning energy. Now kilojoules, or kJ, are a metric unit of energy. If we use more energy than we eat, we lose body weight. However, if we eat more energy than we use, this extra energy is stored as fat. Okay? Pretty straightforward stuff. This table shows the amount of energy our body needs each day depending on our age, gender, and level of activity. So if you're 18 to 35, okay, and you're inactive, okay, then you only need 10,500 kilojoules if you're a man, or 8,000 if you are a woman. 12,500 if you are active as a man, and only 9,000 as a woman, or 14,800 as a man, or 10,500 if you're a woman. Now, of course, this is a very, 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 what's the word I'm looking for? Very, very, very average. So don't take these as exacts, okay? Now 36 to 70, and I'm sure it's 70 plus as well, but I feel over 70 probably won't use as much. But it drops down a little bit, so 10,000 for men, 8,000 for women who are inactive, 11,800 for men, and 8,800 for women who are active, and for very active men, it's 14,300, and for very active women, it's 10,400. Now for pregnant women, it's 10,100, okay, so quite a bit. More, almost as much as a very active, I don't know what I have just done. Very weird. So yeah, 10,100, which is almost as much as a very active woman, or a breastfeeding woman is actually quite a bit more. And I think you could presume why that might be the case. We're maths, we're not PE. I don't want to go into that depth. So the example we've got here is Chloe is 22 years old, works in an office and has an inactive lifestyle. Okay, so let's find where she is. So she's 22, so she's in this age group. Chloe, so she's a girl and she's inactive, so she should be using she should be producing. She is consuming 8,000 kilojoules a day. And every day on her way to work, she has a cappuccino at the coffee shop. The cappuccino contains 940 kilojoules. How many kilojoules of energy does Chloe need each day? Well, as we just said, she needs 8,000 kilojoules each day. And what percentage of her daily energy needs does Chloe have in her morning cappuccino? Well, as a percentage, it's just going to be 940 divided by this 8,000 here, and then times by 100. So as we can see down here, 940 over the 8,000 times 100, which is equal to 11.75. Now, calories are related to kilojoules in some senses, and the relationship is that 1 calorie is equal to 4.2 kilojoules. Now, calories are often used with foods and are usually described in consumption of food. So the example for calories they've got is a 500 milliliter chai tea latte with full cream milk contains 240 calories. How many kilojoules is this? So for every 1 calorie, it's 4.2 kilojoules. So if we have 240 calories, we just need to multiply it by 4.2. And so you can see down here, 240 calories is the same as 240 times 4.2, which is then 1,008 kilojoules. Okay, and that's pretty much it for us guys. So I'm going to leave a little worksheet for you to have a go at, and I'll talk to you in the next one.